Hi, I'm Kristen, the property manager of the Willows. Hannah's going to take you through one of our floor plans. If you have any questions, we're glad to help. Enjoy!
Thank you, Kristen. Welcome to the Sullivan. This is one of our most popular one bed, one baths. It's just under 1,000 square feet. You guys are gonna love this space. Right when you walk in, you're greeted by this gorgeous living room that's very spacious. You have plenty of room to arrange your furniture to your lifestyle, and it features 9-foot ceilings, beautiful wood planking, and this gorgeous marble-surrounded wood-burning fireplace. And then as you continue on, you'll see this is a very open floor plan. You have the dining room right off of the living room, which features a beautiful pendant light and connects right to your kitchen. And speaking of the kitchen, you're gonna love this space. It features this upper island, which is so great for entertaining or sharing a more casual meal. And then you have quartz countertops, glass tile backsplash, two-tone cabinetry, and an oversized undermount sink. You can really tell that a lot of thought went into the design of this space. Now let's go check out the bedroom. Right when you walk into the bedroom, you'll notice all the natural light you get from the two windows. You have plenty of space for your furniture and can even fit a king-size bed. Your full-size bathroom is located right across the hall, but the main highlight is this large walk-in closet with custom shelving and storage. It conveniently leads right to your laundry room, which includes a full-size washer and dryer. And the finishing touch on this floor plan is the bright and spacious balcony with a bonus storage space. And that's a quick look at our Sullivan floor plan. If you'd like to call the Willows your next home, call our leasing team. We'd love to have you.